Good morning, dear students. Dear students, we have completed our poem The Big Baboon. Today we will do word meaning. So let's start. Our lesson name is The Big Baboon and poet of this poem is Hilaire Belloc. Who is poet of this poem? Hilaire Belloc. So now let's do word meaning. First is baboon. 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 What is the meaning of baboon? A large monkey with a long face. What is meaning of baboon? A large monkey with a long face. Or second is plains. What is second? Plains. Plains means a large area of flat land. A large area of flat land means Maidan. What is meaning of plains? Maidan. A large area of flat land. Our third is caribou. 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 Caribou means a place in British Columbia. A place in British Columbia. What is spelling of British? British. British. Columbia. Columbia. So what is the meaning of caribou? Caribou means a place in British Columbia. Our fourth is respectably. What is fourth? Respectably. Respectably. Respectably means in a way that is regarded by society to be good. यानी कि वो वे जो सोसाइटी के द्वारा क्या माना जाता है? गुड माना जाता है, रिस्पेक्टेबल माना जाता है. क्लियर? विस्कर्स. व्हाट इज फिफ्थ? विस्कर्स. WHISKERS. विस्कर्स. विस्कर्स मीन्स यानी कि जो हेयर होते हैं एनिमल्स के, जो मुंह होता है उसके नाक होता है उसके पास जो हेयर होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? विस्कर्स. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ विस्कर्स? The long stiff hair on the face of an animal. The long stiff hair on the face of an animal. Or sixth is shocking. What is sixth? Shocking. SHOCKING. Shocking means causing a feeling of surprise. Shocking means surprise करना, हैरान करना. Causing a feeling of surprise. So first, what is first? Baboon. A large monkey with a long face. Second, plains. Plains means Maidan. A large area of flat land. Third is caribou. Caribou means a place in British Columbia. Fourth, respectably means in a way that is regarded by society to be good. यानी कि जो सोसाइटी के द्वारा गुड माना जाता है, रिस्पेक्टेबल माना जाता है. Whiskers. Whiskers means long stiff hair on the face of an animal. Shocking means causing a feeling of surprise. यानी कि सरप्राइज करना, हैरान करना. That is called shocking. Now we will do rhyming words. Do you know rhyming words? यानी कि जो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो जिनकी जो एंडिंग होती है वो क्या होती है? प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम होती है. Clear? For example, in this poem, upon, 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 on. Second is caribou, do. Third is grow, so. Upon, on, caribou, do, grow, so. Now we will do question answer. Our first question is, what is shocking about the big baboon? What is shocking? Shocking क्या है about the big baboon? So Answer is, the shocking thing about the big baboon is that he goes about wearing nothing. He goes about wearing nothing. You all have read the poem now? So what is in this poem? What is shocking about big baboon? He goes about wearing nothing. So answer is, the shocking thing about the big baboon is that he goes about wearing nothing. He goes about wearing nothing. Our second is, how can the big baboon become a gentleman? How can, कैसे बन सकता है big baboon a gentleman? So, you will start your answer from here. The big baboon can become a gentleman. The big baboon can become a gentleman if he dressed up respectably and let his whiskers grow. अगर अपने विस्कर्स को वो ग्रो कर लेगा और ड्रेसअप हो जाएगा रिस्पेक्टेबल वे से, देन ही विल बिकम अ जेंटलमैन. सो आंसर इज, द बिग बबून कैन बिकम अ जेंटलमैन इफ ही ड्रेस्ड अप रिस्पेक्टेबली and let his whiskers grow. If he dressed up respectably and let his whiskers grow. Our third is, why does the poet wish that the big baboon wore a respectable dress? Why does the poet wish? पोइट ये क्यों चाहता है कि बिग बबून एक रिस्पेक्टेबल ड्रेस पहने? वाई? क्यों? बिकॉज द पोइट वॉन्ट्स द बिग बबून बिकम अ जेंटलमैन ना, दैट्स वाई ही वॉन्ट्स दैट ही विल वियर रिस्पेक्टेबल ड्रेस. सो आंसर इज, द पोइट वॉन्ट्स टू सी. द पोइट वॉन्ट्स टू सी. पोइट देखना चाहता है. द बिग बबून बिकम अ जेंटलमैन. बिग बबून क्या बने? जेंटलमैन. सो ही विशेस दैट ही वोर अ रिस्पेक्टेबल dress. The poet wants to see the big baboon become a gentleman, so he wishes. इसलिए वो विश करता है that he wore a respectable dress. Clear? Now make sentences. Our first is baboon. B-A-B-O-O-N. Baboon. Sentence with baboon is, the baboon has a dog-like face. The baboon has a dog-like face. Baboon का कैसा face होता है? Dog की तरह. You all have read the poem, and in this poem there was picture of the baboon na, and his face was looking like a dog. Clear? So sentence can be, the baboon has a dog-like face, or I have never seen a baboon, or you can make any sentences with baboon. Or second is shocking. Sentence can be, the news was very shocking, or the anger on his face was very shocking. Dear kids, you will make sentence with baboon and shocking, but you will not make the same sentences that is written here. Now, exercise. Where does the big baboon live? Big baboon कहाँ रहता है? You all have read the poem. So, the big baboon is found upon the plains of Caribou. So, our answer is upon the plains of Caribou. Where does the big baboon live? Upon the plains of Caribou. Our second is, what does the big baboon wear? What does the big baboon wear? Big baboon क्या wear करता है? Options are leaves, old clothes discarded by people, or nothing. So, what does the big baboon wear? Nothing. Big baboon क्या wear करता है? Nothing. वो कुछ भी wear नहीं करता. And that is a shocking thing for the poet. Dear kids, let's see 6th question. Have you seen a baboon in a zoo? What are the types of monkey you know? Dear kids, you will do this in your rough notebook. If you have seen any baboon in the zoo, you can write what are the types of monkey you know. यानी कि जिस भी types के monkey को आप जानते हो, you can write their names. और 7th is name some famous monkeys characters from any story you have read. In this question, what you have to do? You have to नेम द फेमस मंकीज़ कैरेक्टर. आपको कुछ फेमस मंकीज़ कैरेक्टर के नेम राइट करने हैं फ्रॉम एनी स्टोरी, किसी भी स्टोरी से जो आप पढ़ चुके हो. क्लियर? सो 6th and 7th क्वेश्चन you will do in your rough notebook. And dear kids, now we have completed our chapter or poem, The Big Baboon. If you have any kind of query, you can write in a comment box.